Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do UFC Strike NFT pack opening. This is pretty cool. Just check my email. We got a link to for the open pre-beta. The pack drop is tomorrow morning or on Sunday. So let's see what we get. There you go. That's fucking bitchin'. Oh snap. Okay, cool. So I'm not too familiar with these fighters. I'm not sure who is better than another, but let's check them out. I don't think I can click on the moments. So I think they have two classes. They have a champions tier and a contenders tier. So these are what they look like. Let's check out the fight.
The timing is so odd. Like, look at this. Like, he just falls down. Oh, there nice, it is. Nice hammer. Oh, big hammer fist by Topuria. There it is. Big shots. Oh, big shots. Ryan's in trouble. He might be out. He's out. He's out.
I got his face patched in. Look at that.
Did you see him let go? Once he got to an angle where he could punch and he got one off, he just started to
Pretty
let
good
those right
KO.
hands fly. That was beautiful by Tapudia.
What do you think?
That's cool.
Let's check out the Sanders one. February 17th.
Corner. That's what corners are for. He's listening. Now he's walking through. Boom! Big left hand down there. That's it. That's
Yeah.
it. It's over. Luke Sanders by knockout. That's what cornermen are for. They see things that we don't see.
Damn.
Made the
You got
adjustment.
TKO now.
Luke Sanders gets the finish because of it. Very, very nice by Sanders.
All right, let's check out the last one. Barboza. I think that sounds really good.
Edson's corner wanted him to be more busy with the left. Oh,
Ooh, good right hand by Barboza.
What the hell? They just stun him? What the hell? Look. What? That's so weird. Let's take a look at that again. Let's do full screen on that one. Cause that. Check it out.
Edson's corner wanted him to be more busy with the left. Oh,
Ooh, good right hand by Barboza. Oh, my goodness.
That's funny.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, see.
I mean, geez.
All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be the video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and peace out.